Hello guys! Today we will learn how to do video editing from the Capcut app. That too in a very easy way. Whether you're looking to create fun social media clips or polished videos for a project, Capcut makes it accessible for everyone. First, let's dive in. Open the Capcut app on your device. Once you're in, tap on New Project. This is where the magic begins. You'll see your gallery pop up, allowing you to select the video clips you want to edit. Choose the ones that inspire you. And let's get started. Now that you have your clips ready, it's time to cut and trim your videos. Head over to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can easily select the part of the clip you want to cut. Just press the split button, and voila! You've divided your clip into two parts. This is a great way to remove any unwanted sections and keep your video flowing smoothly. Editing doesn't have to be overwhelming. With Capcut, you can explore various features that enhance your videos, like adding music, text, and transitions. Each step you take brings you closer to creating something truly special. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to start editing your own videos in Capcut. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more easy editing tips. Happy editing, and see you next time.